How to make PowerPoint into a video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your PowerPoint. Once you are in here, click on File at the top left corner. Inside Files, click on Export. Over here, you can see the option of Create a Video. All you want to do is click on it. Now first of all, what you want to do is select the quality of the file. Click on the very first option. Select the quality according to your need. After that, you have to select the timing and narration. And then you have to select the second that is spent on each slide. Let me set it to 10 seconds. Once you are done with all of this, click on Create Video. Your files will open. Head over to the specific folder and select the video that you want to. Once you have selected, click on Export and it will be uploaded in your PowerPoint. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can make PowerPoint into a video. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Well, if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching it till the end.